A very good morning to my lovely kids. Welcome to the GK class. So, children, in today's class, we are going to study a very interesting topic and an important one, eco friendly. So, let's get started. Meaning. So, before we start, we need to know the meaning of this word eco friendly. Things or activities that are not harmful to the environment. Yes, so children, eco-friendly means all the things or the activities or our habits that are not harmful to the environment or our nature. The 3 R's. Now children, in this picture you can see 3 words are written. Now what are these? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Now children, we will see what are these words and why these words are called 3 R's. The first one is reduce. Reduce means to cut down on the amount of waste being thrown out. So children, we all experience that a lot of waste is being produced not only outside but in our houses also. हमारे घर में भी बहुत सारा waste generate होता है and we throw it outside our houses, right? So we should make efforts to cut down the amount of waste. Reuse. Reuse means to use things over and over again and find new uses for objects. Example, use a water bottle over and over for school. So children, we must try to use things which we are having number of times. Yes, we should use the objects again and again instead of purchasing new one. Like we can use a water bottle for a long period of time, or you can use your tiffin box for a long period of time instead of purchasing new one, right? Recycle. Recycle means to reuse the item and create something else with it. So here children, recycle means कि whatever you are having, you can reuse it and then you can create something else with it. You can create something new from it. Like children, you can use bangles of your mother for making different craft items. You can make a pen holder or a pencil holder with it. So this is called recycling, right? Now children, let's move to book exercise. Yes, given on page number 8 of your GK book. Being eco-friendly. Here are some children talking about their habits. Color the circle green if the habits are eco-friendly and red if they are not. So children, here some activities or habits are shown to you, and by looking at the picture and reading the clues, you have to tell whether the habit is eco-friendly or not. If it is eco-friendly, you will color this circle as with green color, and if it is not eco-friendly, then you will use red color. So let's read first one. I let the tap water run while I brush my teeth. So as you can see in this picture, a boy is brushing his teeth and water is continuously flowing from the tap. So is it eco-friendly? No. So you will color this with red. Now number 2. I know that some soaps and cosmetics are tested on animals and they hurt them, so I do not use those. So, children, in this picture, you can see a girl and she is saying that she knows that some soaps and cosmetic items like cream or powder, these things are harmful to animals, it can hurt them, so she is not using such kind of soaps. So is this an eco-friendly habit? Yes, so you will color the circle with green. Number 3, I use only paper and jute bags. They can be recycled, so they do not pollute the earth. This boy is using a paper bag and he is holding so many things inside the bag because jute bags and paper bags are easily recycled and they do not pollute the earth. So this is eco-friendly habit. So you will color the circle with green. Now let's move to number 4. I reuse old wrapping paper to wrap presents. So children, this boy is wrapping a gift with the old wrapping paper. So is it an eco-friendly activity? Of course, yes. So you will color the circle with green color. Number 5. Let's throw the trash in the water. No one will notice. So here you can see a boy and a girl and they are throwing trash inside the water and they are thinking that no one will notice. So is it a good habit and eco-friendly? Not at all. So you will color the circle with red. Next one is I donate my old clothes and toys so that they can be recycled and reused. So this boy is donating his old clothes and toys so that other children can use these items. So yes, it is an eco-friendly habit. So you will color with green. Number 7. I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. Trees will grow new leaves and flowers. No, it's a very bad habit. We should not pluck leaves and flowers all the time. They also get hurt. So, it's not an eco-friendly activity. Now, the last one, number 8. I take a long shower every morning. So see, this boy is enjoying taking shower and he takes a long shower every morning. It means he wastes lots of water. So this is not an eco-friendly habit. So I hope children you all have understood which habit is eco-friendly and which is not, and you will follow only eco-friendly habits in your day-to-day life. Thank you children. Bye bye.